So of course, we just finished watching the Grammy. Big up all of the people them way got nominated, the people them will win. Of course, me see everybody I send out message. I say some white man win the reggae Grammy. And a lot of people I say this is the end of reggae. And this is it for us, and we're dead now. We're dead now. How them take man? We're dead now. How them take man? You see me I say? And now them are going to blame the little boy them. We do them little trap music. Them are going to blame them now. And point fingers at them now. And say at them make some white man come win the Grammys. The reggae Grammy award. Now them are going to blame the little boy them. We do them trap music. When I don't do with dancehall and reggae, you know. Them a do trap. They say they have dance trap. You say dance trap. So if a dance trap in him, you see you have a rat trap, you have puss trap. You see me I say, man no said rat trap to catch puss. You see me I say, it's a rat trap and puss trap. So if the man them say them a do dance trap or dancehall trap, dancehall there so, dancehall trap there over there so. See? So now them are going to blame the dancehall trap for the downfall of reggae and dancehall. You know? And I say, that is the reason why some white man named Soldier come win the reggae award and Bob Marley are turning in his grave. You see? Because of course them are like a scapegoat. For blame. Let me go into some scenarios. I made wait until everything done for talk. Because I never want nobody say me a bad mind them and me a fight them. And next thing, then go win. Next thing, then go win and you go there and say, bestie, that's how we couldn't do it, bestie. Be yourself, boy. You see? Chop all. So, me never say nothing because I never want to say me bad mind. But to be honest with you people, let us be honest. Itana, my sister that. So, me have a little bias when it comes down to Itana. So, forgive me if me bias in our own eyes. But you know my sister that. Why? Because she down to earth, she level-headed, she stay in her lane, etc. Now, Itana is the second time Itana get nominated for a Grammy. You have some woman about here sing for years and never get nominated yet. Itana is getting nominated for a Grammy. This, you know, the second time now. Notice how the media dealt with Itana. Talk to me, man. Well, look, scapegoat now, I'm going to blame the little boy them now where I do them trap all. Or them trap dance. Look how the media dealt with Itana as a person who achieved such feat. You don't see nothing right about Itana? You don't maybe see two little sketchings and two little something. Did the media highlight Itana or Itana's album and make you know say, because Itana album is very strong. You see? Because she's a musician. She play music, she sing music. So, she can compete with the white band them. You want to get to me and say, she go in at the studio, she do her production them, like Grammys and them can compete with the white bands. You can't put the people them who can compete with the white bands them on the back burner. I ain't saying no promote who not promote and no big up who not big up and no push who not push, you know. But if you no expect that gonna work, when the people them at the committee now she say or now realize say we in the culture, we the players of music, we the singers of music, we the media in the reggae or dancehall circle. How is it that we expect that them are going to pay any attention to Itana's album? Or a Grammys album? When them decide where them want push and where them want put the spotlight on. But now when I come back now about say, some white man get it, some white man get it. The white man them album sound good. It's just that me can't sing an R&B song for go around Beyonce. And me can't do an R&B album for go around Bruno Mars. Them not gonna accept me. Them not gonna give me an album of the year or a song of the year over Chris Brown or none of them. You know, so me can't sing it and me may do a good job of getting a kind of for them flavor. Why you think? The media are going to ensure say me no get that. Just like when Omi had the biggest song in the world. Omi's song was the biggest song in the world. Not even a nomination him getting in the category. Sean Paul had about 2-3 #1 Billboard songs. He has never been nominated in the category. You know why? The media ensure that. Our media people them not do investigative journalism. Them not scope out the good music. Them not highlight the good music. Them not highlight the packages them. It's like, oh, you must send, when we go into the Olympics, we not keep trials. Let me tell you something, people. Me don't want nobody like me. Because I don't want to like me for something when I come lie to you, and pretty up thing for you, sugarcoat thing for you. I'm not going to like City Trooper. We're going to Europe, we take money and saying we work for any price as long as the money is right and ready. Go like City Trooper. We think of the little boy them mash up the music. With them done self. You think, say, the media in England, the media in other territories, I got allow an outsider to come win one of the most prestigious awards? You're crazy. But me watch you know. You know. Because me go talk I wanna go say me bad mind and me this and me a fight against people. But me hear you know I cry. But wanna wait until the rapture gone. I know what? Yeah, because see that now white man win the Grammy. White man win the Grammy. Them me no know who them. Soldier them a sing from long time. Soldier them a bad reggae, white reggae band. Bad white reggae band. Them can reggae, skegge, rubber-dub, rootsy, tootsy like we. But what they're doing, it's been highlighted. What they're doing, they might get festival to perform them music so people can see them. The people them in Jamaica were in charge of culture. All them now ensure so we have platform to perform our music. We have one concert, and I talk before COVID, now give me no COVID story. We have one major concert in Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest, where a white man run it. See? But people are not appreciative of skenge no more, where man come and dance and enjoy themselves. If a man go up on the stage and want to work a nice proper show, wanna turn up in the audience, yo, him flap, man, him flap. Yo, him boring, man, him boring. I wanna help create gosso, and eradicated all of this skenge. I wanna eradicate that out of society, you know. Because everybody start gosso. Halu na juk na bati gosso. Halu no de na bow gosso. So the man can't really perform. When writing out no media, such and such flap. The crowd was lukewarm. Such and such did not do well. Really, and when turn up with and now na phone, worse now na phone. Let's take a picture and put him on the internet. See people might turn up on him there. You know much time there are some far out place where the people them just a groove. The people them just a groove. Hear them now? Why the people them just a turn up? But when them white man there go work, them not worry about gosso, you know. Them just string up and them just plug in and make Itana tell you, make Grams them tell you, when you go up on the road with them, when you're on the road with soldier them, when you're on the road with revolution them not in a no big hype up gosso. And them can't reggae like the Jamaican music player them. But you know what them have? Them make use of what them have. Them make use of what them can do. Them have loyalty to what them believe in. You see? Them have discipline. Them turn up on time. Them not give promoter no trouble. You hear that? And it's few of us go up on the road and not give promoters trouble. And the one that will give be a trouble and talk and go a bag of problem. Them highlight boy. And now no one tell the little youth them say them a cause it. Cause them now do no dancehall again and them now do no reggae again. So now that them break the ice and them let you a white band, dog nyamu no supper. Because here what them could have let go a white band pa uno now. And big up to soldier them. Uno deserve it. Uno damn album sound good. You see? Now them let go a white band pa uno. Because one time them afraid figure a white band against a reggae from Jamaica, reggae artist from Jamaica. Them say, them listen and them say, alright. Them look and them say, alright. You think say if we did a highlight Itana, if we did a highlight Itana, if the media did a highlight Itana, if the media house them did a highlight Itana, you see? And I do some feature upon her. And I make sure do some performance and them something there and showcase her to the world. Like when we do Olympic trials. We don't send the best athlete them go to Olympics. Because we don't want to lose. But when it comes on to our music, we don't take our music done. And then the blame the little boy them say them a mash it up. I will not mash it up. I will not the one, the media, I will where when real music come on away, we don't scan it. When real artists come on stage, we don't talk about, give me something new, man. I see them old song them come with. Well, go sing yourself. Because me no go to Anita Baker show, go tell her say me want something new. Me go watch Anita Baker, me nearly go crazy. When she sing all them the big hit, me no want them more hit song from Anita Baker. But Uno, as a man turn on him something, so a man make a comment, so a man talk something on no like. Go on, go. When him done, him career done, go make music. Can I go make music? Me no hear nobody tell Babyface go make music. So true Uno, we act as if Uno want new music every day, Uno can't appreciate what Uno have. Some people just come and realize nobody not there for them compete with really. So them just give you some half strum, some half bass, and eat the food. Yeah. So you go. You see? To this day, them still a sample Sister Nancy song, one of the most sampled songs out of Jamaica. And them go wait until you hear them now. Sister Nancy song got #1 the other day, you know. That the song they were sing from before my born. Went #1 the other day. For sure said the foreign people, them want the music. But what? The media now push the music. Go in a uptown Mondays and go run a road and go run a Rooksy them and go down the road and go tell them man if you start play dancehall music. Now go El King. That now go change it. You see me I say? We want platform to go sing with music, man. The people them need to get back in the mindset where them can come listen music and like how the music listen to people. If you really want music, you know, because if you don't want it, you know, make the youth them go out do them thing and go and eat them food. If you really want music, if you really want music, because to me you don't really want no music, you just want chat. But if you really want music, ask the people that were in charge of culture to create outlets. You see? Create outlets. A man can over the side doing trap hall, but if we are doing the body set of reggae and the body set of dance hall. You see? A man if you go try keep up with we, you know. But we fall with on, we not do nothing. We not play nothing. We not produce nothing. We not write up about nothing. We not highlight nothing. I expect say, everybody go stand up and wait for we. Nobody not waiting on us. Only use ageism and mash up music. As a man reach 40, so no say him done. Soldier them a sing before it turn of them. Soldier them a some old man them, you know. And some man them a sing from long time. A long time them a do reggae and you think I know them just start sing. You don't never hear about them. Can't no know nothing. Ask Grams and them. Soldier them a sing long time. Soldier them a sing from before me come in a music, I think, you know. Because I see them on tour. Yeah. Some nice little white man then go up and do them stringers thing and Bob Marley them influence them and that's what I say. Yeah. So go highlight una highlight. Because what the whole I want to do our best if you run out. No, I want to do our best if you run out. You see? Only the one depend the best train. Kill me. Send for me. Send for me and tie me up on a post and give me some whippings. Me say them nearly killed the brother named put a hype for bestie. Me say Sean Paul in the category and out there campaign for bestie. Me never see it. Me see a man that it's like two men run a race and the man say, yo, are you more winning? Are you more? Somebody beat me. And please God. Please God. Then I have to not give the people them for vote, man. I ain't saying nothing else. I ain't fighting nobody. But to complain. The media. If I lie me, I tell. Listen. If I lie me, I tell, just tell me, say, come off of the internet and go on in my bed. Because I late now, you know. Me work all day. Me done me work. Me say, listen, me say, bestie. About Obia, man. Somebody want I'm going dead. Yo, Ja. I said, best not Obia, man, reader, man, sorry. Excuse me. Bestie of a reader, man. Me say, reader, man, make an announcement. Me say, then I wait on and Grams and I go. Me have to send message to Grams them and say, yo, no come back on here. Because Obia man don't read the thing, you know. Yeah. But the white people them we have vote, now go vote for the Obia man. The reader man. The white people that don't know nothing near reading. Readers. Them are gonna listen to the records them and the people where them see I get the promotion and the highlighting and all them things and them say, okay, so this is the one they said that this is the best. This is the Usain Bolt of music. So you was Usain come like him injured. So if you say no injured, you're gonna go with I'm Justin Gatlin. Bestie, we did it! Me not laughing at... Listen to me. Let's be honest though. Let's be honest. Bestie, it was a great accomplishment. But let's be honest, people. Even Bestie fans can be honest at least. Be honest, Bestie fans. Let's be honest. One of us is something did wrong with the imbalance in the coverage. Just make a talk truth. Because one I want to go to drop down tomorrow and dead. I want to can't go to heaven with lie in our heart. Let us be honest. We not blame Bestie, you know. Because Bestie, of course, that a one big achievement. I mean, walking in your glory, Bestie. Is it Carol Reader, man, do that too? Is it? Walking in your glory, Bestie. Is it? But let's be honest, people. Me know say, me get trouble. Yeah, me get trouble. Yeah, me get trouble. Me get trouble. Sorry. Forgive me tomorrow. If I know not what I did. Alright? I know what I'm doing. So forgive me tomorrow. Please. Beat me but not kill me. Zin? But in all of that, let us be very honest. Let us be very honest. I don't really think say the media coverage on the albums them. I don't think it was fair. I don't really believe the media coverage on the album them. There was an equilibrium on all the albums. Just be honest with me. Me know una go burn me, una go burn me out. But in the burning out, just think. I go calm down and think. How much media outlet, internet, vloggers, all of them, Observer, Star, Gleaner, radio, whatever we have. How much of them honestly put out anything about Etana's album? Grammys album. How much of them? Those are the records, or those are the artists that can compete with Soulja them. In my honest opinion. That is just an opinion. You see? If you're gonna take dancehall to compete with Soulja, with Revolution, with Slightly Stupid them, with any of the white bands, because the white bands, they're not going into the studio and releasing records that don't sound like them mixed properly. That sound like them out of key. These are trained musicians. Maybe them not have the thing from an innate standpoint, you know. But they are trained musicians. So as them not put out anything without it is properly done. You cannot compete with the white reggae bands if you're not sending the Usain Bolts, the Shelly-Ann, what the next sister name? What's her name is? The bad one. If you're not sending the best to represent us. If you're gonna send somebody to the Olympics and it's because you don't like them, then when the Americans them and the British them beat the shit out of we, why would not complain? Why not complain? You see? You can't bench, you can't, you see. And it happened even, me see, it almost happened in the Olympics, you know. And I called it out, you know. Some people burn the fire for me, you know. You see one of my things in favoritism, people. You know deal with talent, true talent. You know deal with fairness and balance. It happened at the Olympics, you know. Me know so the whole of them like a pocket rocket. But you had a sister that won the last Olympics before the last Olympics. Or the Olympics prior to the last Olympics. And the media coverage on the sister was just like, yo, this is the defending champion, bro. This is the defending champion. And the media coverage pan Elaine was just like, yo, B, Jamaica shall represent you, you know. Until people start, you know, pocket rocket. Everywhere you turn, pocket rocket. It come like it even motivated her to go train harder and she just go out there and mash up everybody. The dichotomy is, We not have that privilege there in our music. Because we can put out our best effort, we can put out the best album, and them don't support it, and them don't write about it, and them don't give it a promotion, and them don't play it on them radio, and them don't put it on them TV station, and them don't this, and them don't that. The difference is, Illy and them can go out there and prove themselves. That is the advantage them have over we. So, I will be in the studio, working with the best musicians, and when my album come out, the media coverage is poor. And them colonines can keep it in the library and don't give to the rest of this jockeys them to play it. Because, of course, you have a personal vendetta. But if you have a personal vendetta or a personal feelings against Elaine or Yusian or any one of them, you have to keep it to your damn self because they're not going to put it on the track. They're going to go up on the track, go up on the track, go represent themselves, go show you the hard work where them put in. We don't have that. We not have the privilege that we go show you the hard work where we put in. So sometimes our work just go in vain. I wonder if you understand where I go on. So don't complain when a white man go around, you know. This I'm going to just encourage more white man to do reggae. So reggae now go dead, you know. Unless we not go change the name. Some more white youth right now already in them look house a string up because this are going to be now the face of reggae. So some white youth now feel empowered now because of course. Them say some white man get the Grammys. I get a Grammy, reggae Grammy, white man. Right now some white boy in the studio right now already start rehearse and start string up. Right now. Ask Lady and them follow me I tell. Ask Grams them. Ask everybody. And I ain't got a problem with them. I ain't got a problem with them. Slightly stupid them. Me go at them show and them call me up on the stage and show me love. Revolution them, me and them down Europe, them show me love. Them never, as a matter of fact, them deal with me better than the Jamaican artists them. When me dep on the road and see the white bands them show me what of love. The Jamaican artists say, you and them dep on the same stage and them walk past you. You see? Who them are highlighting at the media cannot go up against Slightly Stupid, Revolution, Soldier them. Cannot. Who them a try push to the people them who have the power in the international market cannot go up against the international bands them. Cannot. This come like uno shelf Marshall and Bungie them and have some and a promote some man we can soca like them. And at them wanna put on everything, them wanna push up in everything, them wanna write up on every day, them wanna this on every day. When Marshall and Bungie, if soca is gonna go, it need them. It need destra them. You don't hear them as say Marshall too old. So why Beenie Man too old? Why Vegas them figure sit down? You see? You know, see them a highlight the people them what them like. No, you have to be if you know back. Remember 1 year, you know. I was judging me that kill Marshall down at Carnival there. And me down there with them. I was judging me that then go I'm telling Marshall have to come harder the next year. You think him can sleep? Make me daddy and watch the work. Me watch them man there. The man there go out in bed 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Remember me tell her that. Me daddy and witness that. Yeah man, I was judge him. I want to man. I was judge him that. What? Yeah man. So Marshall them not use ageism and run them out of the industry. You see? But them still allow other youth to eat a food. Them allow other youth to come through too. But them not shelf Marshall. You see? Them not shelf Destra them. Them not shelf Patrice them. You see? So, Una get it now. So me want next year, me want all reggae bands white where them nominate. Me want them nominate all white reggae bands. Me want them nominate all white reggae bands for the next 5 years. Yeah. Because if I saw no plan, so when I promote reggae music, fi jump on bestie wagon, and not give Grams Mag and Itana them no coverage. Make the white band them eat the food. Make them take a Grammy. Simple as that. We in a digital era. That means someone have no excuse, and I like when I have print media. I want to have to wait until the star boy them and the star woman them sell it a road. And have to export it. You see? We have print media. All I want media house, want to have print media. Blame on yourself when you see them something here happen. Don't come write up no story now and make we feel like say white man come take with music. No. That not go fly. Well, it go fly with the idiot them. You see? So it's simple. You see? Make a white band them take it. Because at least them a put them all in a way them a do. You see? And we are shelf who we have can go against them. Because a competition, you know, once you have to go and compete with somebody to get something, it's a competition. So the Grammy for reggae is a competition. You have to compete with somebody else to get it. You see? So here we go on. You see next Grammy? Highlight una highlight again. And wait until the reggae artists them, the bad artists them do them album. Una shelf them. The other day Shensia go to Jamaica. And Shensia, me like her, she cool her, she humble her, she make them lift the COVID ban. So me like her, cause me can go anywhere me want go now. Without mask. Because Shensia came and saved us. See? Hooray, hooray, Shensia the Great. Shensia. Mr. Minister would have called her Shensia. Shensia. You see? So Shensia came and do what the church and nobody couldn't do. Excuse me, church people, but you don't know me have to talk the truth. Shensia, what's she name? She came and she did what nobody else could have done. She came and she lifted the ban. All protocols went. She came, people get all fined and people get arrested and people are wait to go to jail and court and the minister them and be a big dignitaries and Lisa and them nobody never have no mask. Cause you don't know. So you think it. So Shensa came and she rescued us. You see? She and Romish saved us. You see? That's all me have to start thinking. I say, what if I COVID up, I never read for sure. That's all me have to call all. Tanya Stevens apologize. I say, boy, sister, me cousin, I sit here, but you come like, you right, you know. Me see everybody take out my mask now, me no see in the hospital and nobody are dead. I'll cash me off, I say, cash you know, say, come like, you did right, me done. Me wonder if me can get back the vaccine out of my body. Never call the herbalist them and say, well, no, nothing, they can't take out vaccine out of body. Come me say, no, see hospital them are full up again. And it live. Yeah. So if you kill me, at least you don't know something they confess and tell me say, me feel like me get tricked. Because you don't know me talk the truth. Me feel like But the say me need it to go eat little food. to go to little show and fly out. So, but of course, if you all who never did take it, hooray, you look like you did right. Me can't argue with you. Me have to talk it truth. Me have to talk it truth. So Shensa came and saved us. So what me I say is, if all of them dignitaries here, and them top people that can show up for your Shensia album launch, you can't show up when other artists do an album launch, like some like because that look good, to the rest of the world, I don't know if it's a colorism thing. Me don't know if you have a certain looks in a Jamaica too. Me know say it work a foreign when you rub on a little bleaching or you born brown. Or your born look like you're Puerto Rican or Latino or one of them something there. You have a little blind. But it come like it reach Jamaica now. Because trust me never see so much dignitaries in a one album launch. But me I say no, maybe there is hope. All on people, no pull the plug yet. Don't pull the plug yet, not dead yet. Hold on people, hold on mirror beep. Maybe there's a chance we. No, maybe you have to get like a bleach. You have to go try catch a color. You see? You have to go try catch a color. But just look on the hypocrisy of people, man. Look on the hypocrisy. You want to me say, no other album never come out where we could have seen so much dignitary show up. I make the world know say, yo, you see, this is a good album. Look at who show up. So here we go on now. Me I got one reggae album to put out, And me I go talk the truth, I cuss me, I go cuss if you no come, Me I invite all of you. Me inviting all of you. You see? Me I go try find somebody we can get to like Ramesh. Even if me have to get a jerk pan. You see? With some girl in it. Maybe that to your track. Me I go put something in the album for you too. Me I put something in it for you. Yeah. Me I write a song. Me I write a special song in the album for you. You see? Because I realize so no love is yeah. Me have a special song in the album for you. For you carry home to no kids too. You see? Yeah. I'll put a special thing in it for you. Nice. Nice and special. You see? So when I drop my album launch, me I go hope say me get that little something here. Me get that buzz here, me get that promotion here. Because when I do me like it and Grams Mag and them, Because chances are more than likely them are going to nominate Shensa for the next one. For the next upcoming Grammy. Them are going to nominate Shensa, Coffee. You see? Where just a slide, Coffee don't come like one snake in one grass. They just go through and just do it. And just go through. Nobody know you. Just go through. Enter the British chart at number 9. You know what a big achievement that is? How much I didn't know that? Everybody who didn't know say Coffee song enter the British chart, Coffee's album, enter the British chart at number 9. Put up a lighter. 500 people depend here. How much I didn't know say Coffee's album enter the British chart at number 9. Please, and it's, me not talk BBC One Extra. Me attack the British chart. How much I didn't know? You know why no found no know? Because them never see her on a front page with one girl a suck out tongue. You never see her now one of the Calvin Klein panty them, brief them, sorry. To write about. You see? Alright? But just check. Check Coffee's album. How it is doing. What you see? Colorism. Colorism. I'm not gonna highlight that. Because I know she them want to represent them. She no fit the tourist board promotional campaign. You see? I make them trick you with Bob Marley with the spliff. I threw him go through the gate and him couldn't hold him back. Them used to call him Dirty Dread. You see? But just check. But if you no think say, you can push out who no want push out and promote and highlight who no want highlight. Jay-Z say something, you know. You can buy the hype, but you cannot buy a hit. Jay-Z said it best. You can buy a hype, all you no want hype. And wait till the champagne on the ice. And I remember say, when you no go out there, other people out there, where I work maybe harder than you. When I depend on just the media to highlight them. Keep benching the good artists them, shelving the good artists them, have colonines where have conflict of interest or have bias running a major network and think say white man now go take the music, which them already maybe take it. And the Chinese them, and the Japanese them. One of the biggest music group in a Jamaica have a man around the music that has bias against other artists. The other day them send a man down there named Dennis Howard, where transform a whole station and kill the station. Same now play no dance hall on the station. But blame the little boy them. We are sing them little trap something. How much I know? Complain, knew, argued about that. Or if you have a man named Collinines around the station with a bias against other artists, you are to be neutral when you're in charge of the library. That means if you and a man even agree from him album or him music come, you're supposed to you check it, it's clean, it's supposed to be distributed to the disc jockeys then. And now we're in a digital era, where we not go with library? When we have qualified people on the radio, when know quality music and can choose their playlist. How library makes sense in this era? Whenever youth are send in music through an email. It's like you tell a man say, if you go down to the library, when a man can Google where man find. And it makes sense. That makes sense. That's why no little youth na boss. I sing what you want to hear according to who. No little youth na boss I sing. So when the little youth them get a chance, them have to sing some hardcore lyrics. Them have to sing some sexual things. Forget a boss. Is that what you not understand, you know? Them have to try to shock and awe. Them have to put some big long gun in them video. Them have to put 2 girls and 3 girls a kiss up in them video. Them have to take up be things them have to go on with forget. Them have to bleach out themselves. Like I see, you know, have to bleach out. Because a man I got about send the music go to the library. Send the music go to the library in another epoch, yeah? Oh, that makes sense. It's like you tell a man to get rid of Google. But when the white man them come and take the thing, una ball. Then go and ball. Una no start ball yet. Una no start ball yet. We, maybe there for another 20, 30 years, you know. Can't enough of we in our 40 yard. You see? Which is a very young age to do reggae and dancehall. Because alternatives them when they were our age. And John Wood them when they were our age. I mean, them prime. One thing say we are dinosaurs. And one thing we can't go around people. We can't go around hit makers. You see? We prove themselves over and over again. And then ball. Because we can go out there, go rock the show them. And we can go out there, go stand up in the crowd them. And we can go out there and make when boys say we work. Whether you're Chinese, Japanese, or white man. Boy turn up aside on stage, or man or woman turn up aside on stage. And appreciate work when them see work or go on stage. You see? That you have to understand. And if the man them don't see the media out of Jamaica are represent, are celebrate, are promote the culture minister, all of the people in Jamaica sleeping on the music. We don't have no outlet for the music. When they go across the world and see Anthony B, them still at work stage. Anthony B, the man fit like him at 20. When the man they at work stage, the man a kick higher than horse. Anthony B, him a kick straight through, right through in performance, him a jump and a kick and a go on. At them there, you have to put, to compete with the soldier them, with the revolution them. We not say, we not play just straight dancehall or reggae. But I created a petition years ago, you know, over 10 years ago, you know, go look online on the seat, you know. Some people are going, let me just start talking, you know. I created a petition to save reggae music over 10 years ago. Go and Google that right now on the seat. I gave them ideas on how to balance the music before it got to here. Over 10 years ago, maybe about 15 years ago, me do it. It's up online right now. Save reggae music. Go and go check. Google it right now. That's before the skill make them come. So why was I saying that 15 years ago? Because I realized that the media, once you grab on past somebody with color, once you grab on past somebody from uptown, I want to start push them to the world. I want to start tell the world, see, this we have to offer, you know. Murder, she wrote. And the world just say, okay, this is what you got. We got revolution. This is your bestie. We got soldier. Simple. Me see, Babsy Grange, them created a program to assist artists tours. And when they get it on, they look a chump change. The Jamaican people, them ball and cuss. And burn her out. And burn out Babsy Grange, say she a give money to artists. And I realize, when Itana go out there, she's not just promoting Itana. She's promoting the culture. She's promoting Jamaica. The people, them, slaughter her. What you quarreling about? What you frightened about? Where you come send me, tell me, people, white man, wait, no send me no. No send me no. No send me no link. Send it to your pitney, them and your family and your mama. No send me no link. No send me nothing at all. See it there, I eat that now. Go send it to you. Go send it. You see? Send it to bestie them. And the media. Cool? Big up on yourself. Because I saw a media did want it to go. Give me a glass of champagne there. Which pound there? Where the party there? No matter disappointed, man. Go back to your drawing board. Better luck next time. Where the party there? Read a man. Any party. You must want somebody to drink. Me that take a glass. Remember next time, white people no afraid of Obia. Next time, try Itana or Grams Morgan. You see? Them rather afraid of that. You see? White people not afraid of Duppy. Notice when I watch Duppy show? Notice white people? When they make a noise downstairs? Them go towards it. Them say, Kevin, is that you? I'm playing. I'm not playing. I'm coming down there. Not afraid. I don't. If I did Jamaica, it a keep. Maybe it didn't work. You see? So, read a man. Me know say you did have your thing planned. Fi come say, fi get more reading money from Nicki Minaj. You see? But white people not afraid of reading at Obia. You see? Yeah. Alright? Big up on yourself. Bestie, big up on yourself. And again, just laugh. Because you know say, in the foolishness, yeah, look at truth tonight. No matter, bite upon the heart and dead and drop down. Because at the end of the day, lady saw can't find her Grammy. Mama come out when Bestie get nominated and say, me not even know which part that there. Me know I me put it up to one corner. Hey, read a man. Prayer can't beat. Your prayer can't beat them the prayer there. It don't work. Man. You can't go to... Look at more people. Look at more people. Little more. Little more. Little more.